Hey guys, I'm doing some seed starting today, and I just wanted to show you real quick my seed storage. So I picked up this idea from Kevin Espiritu at Epic Gardening. Do definitely subscribe to his channels because he is a wealth of knowledge for all things gardening. So these are just little containers inside a larger container, almost like a filing cabinet. They're very convenient. As you can see, I have them all labeled here. And I have 3 of these containers now. And I can reorganize them as I see fit. I can switch them into another container. So I have a greens one, herbs one, and this one's, I don't know what I would call this one. I have fruit and like tomatoes and peppers and pumpkins and stuff in here. Gourds, melons. So that's the grouping I have on this one. But it's a very convenient system. And you can just take one of these out with you to the garden for direct sowing, or take it directly to wherever you're working on your seed starts. And I found it to be a very convenient system and had no idea about it before Kevin brought it up on his channel. It's got these handles. So I ended up finding these after hearing about them. I found them at Michael's and they were on sale. They've been on sale for a while. I don't know if they still are. And if you get them there, you can use their coupons. You can also find them on Amazon. I've gotten them from Michael's and from Amazon, and it's the exact same product sold by different people. Just make sure you're getting the appropriate price if you're gonna go the Amazon route, because I've seen 2 packs for like $30-ish, and then I've seen a 1-pack of one of these containers for like $40. So there's definitely a range of prices on Amazon. So do you need something like this to get started? Absolutely not. But as you accumulate seeds over time, and if you're doing seed saving, then you may find that you want to expand your seed storage, and this is one solution that I really like. So just as an example, here's my pepper one, and I have all sorts of just different peppers in here. And some of these are little paper bags, handmade paper bags, so that the seeds can still continue to breathe. I do have some that are in plastic bags. The plastic bags I don't think are appropriate for all types of seeds because they don't get to breathe. But yeah. And I do see myself getting a 4th one of these containers to expand a collection for fruit. And I may get another one for flowers at some point. So I have a problem with seed saving, I suppose. And just make sure you're storing these in a cool, dry place, obviously. I have like dresser drawers that I store these in, specifically for these. So that's the system. It's pretty simple. These things stack. I'll include a link to the Amazon page that I found them on. And yeah, if you're looking for a decent seed saving system, then this could work.